Motions of the Earth. What do we see when we look at the sky at night? We see that the moon and stars appear to be changing their positions. This happens due to the movements of the Earth. Motions of the Earth. Like other planets, the Earth moves in two different ways. It rotates like a top on its axis and also moves around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. The axis is an imaginary line that runs through the center of the Earth, interior of the Earth. The Earth rotates on the line, axis. The axis has two endpoints called poles. The point at the top is called the North Pole, and the point at the bottom is called South Pole. The axis is an imaginary line that joins the North Pole and the South Pole. The Earth is further divided into two equal parts, with an imaginary line which goes between the North Pole and the South Pole and from east to west. This line is called the equator. The area which lies to the north side of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the area to the south side of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. Rotation of the Earth. To understand the movement of the Earth, take a globe and spin it. The globe spins around a line passing through its center, called the axis. Like globe, the Earth also spins on its axis. This spinning of the Earth on its axis from west to east is called rotation. Day and night. The round shape and the rotation of the Earth on its axis causes day and night. The sun gives light to the Earth. The part of the Earth facing the sun has day, and the part of the Earth which faces away from the sun has night. Rotation of the Earth also influences the direction of the flow of ocean currents and the direction of winds. This also causes rise and fall of the ocean water known as tides. The Earth completes one rotation on its axis in 24 hours, which includes 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. Revolution of the Earth. While spinning on its own axis, the Earth also travels around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit. This movement is called the revolution of the Earth. The Earth completes one revolution around the Sun in about 365 and a quarter days. 365 days make 1 year, and rest of a quarter day of every year is added to make one extra day. That forms a leap year after every 4 years. Therefore, the month of February has 29 days instead of 28 days after every 4 years, that is a leap year. Seasons. The revolution of the Earth around the Sun and its tilted axis at an angle of 23.5 degrees causes different seasons such as summer, winter, autumn and spring. The Earth remains tilted to one side while revolving round the Sun. The portion of Earth that is tilted towards the Sun experiences summer. Similarly, the portion tilted away from the Sun experiences winter. When the Northern Hemisphere experiences summer, the Southern Hemisphere experiences winter and vice versa. On 21st June, the Sun shines directly over the Northern Hemisphere, so the Northern Hemisphere experiences summer and the Southern Hemisphere experiences winter. On 22nd December, the Sun shines directly over the Southern Hemisphere, so the Southern Hemisphere experiences summer and Northern Hemisphere experiences winter. The Sun shines directly over the equator twice a year. On 21st March, the Sun shines directly over the equator, so the Earth experiences spring season, followed by winter season. On 23rd September, the Sun shines directly over the equator, so the Earth experiences autumn season, followed by summer season.